You see in the exam, this word here, it'll say something like work out. That basically means calculate, work out, same thing, okay? Work out the sum. So you have something like 84 plus 24. Right, column addition. How do you set it up? Because not everyone can see that as it is. There are a few key things you really got to keep, okay, and stick to. Generally, the big number goes on top, then you put the smaller number underneath. Yep. And then it's really important you have everything lined up, okay, and not everywhere, because that can really confuse people. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. You're 0, then you're 1 there. So remember, this is your units, this is your tens, and this is your hundreds column here. Right, let's do another example. 2 more for you now. So pause the video, have a go at these 2. Right, or you pause it and have a go. Really important, you can see all the numbers are in line. You've got your units, your tens, your hundreds. So, a couple of things that we need to make sure we get, okay? 2 plus 9, 11. Right, this is where a lot of people go wrong. I show my students, keep it down here like this. Yeah, some people like to put it up here. I tell mine, keep it down here. So 2 plus 9, 11. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. Add you 1. A lot of people forget that. So it's 13. Keep it down here again. 3 plus 2 is 5. Add you 1, 6. Right, over to this one. 8 plus 5, 13. Remember, carry your 1. 7 plus 6, 13. Add your 1, 14. 5, add your 1 down here, 6. There you go. 2 more examples. Let's do 2 more. Right, just before I go through the next 2, if you haven't done so already, make sure you click subscribe. I've got loads of other videos, loads of tricks as well. Videos like 15 seconds going over quick skills, okay, really important. Right, let's go through them final 2 examples. Final 2 examples. 4 plus 8, that is 12. Oh, where's my 2 going? Happy with that. Right, 0 plus 0, don't forget your 1 down here, so that's 1. Right, 8 plus 4, 12 again. Make sure you keep your 1. Really important, make sure you do that. Some people keep it on the hand, if you want to, but then obviously, if it's visual, you're going to see it easier. 7 plus 2 is 9, add you 1, that is 10. So really, it doesn't matter how many digits there are, how big the numbers are, as long as you keep it nice and in line, it's easier. 7 plus 8 is 15. 8 plus 9, 17. Add you 1, that is 18. Hopefully you pause the video and you had a go. If you made any mistakes, hopefully you can see where you might have gone wrong. 6 plus 4, that's 10. That makes 11. 2, add 1 is 3. Then 1 and nothing is just 1. Right, that's column addition. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put one more final sum, and also do 2. But this one is going to be a bit of a puzzle, okay? So let's see who can solve a bit of a puzzle. Well, there's going to be a few digits that are missing. You're part of the answer. Okay, so here we go. It's puzzle time now. Right then, little puzzle for you here. So pause the video, have a go at that puzzle. Right, oh, it's really test if you really understand column addition, okay? It's not just following a process now. You've got to think a little bit differently about it. So 4 add something is 9. We should really have got that one. This is where you've got to think a bit more, okay? Something add 6 is 4. Well, you can't have like a -2 there, okay? Because it's column addition, so you can't have that. But you've got to think, well, what do we add to 6 to get 14, maybe? So that will be 8. So this one you should have got 8 there, because 8 plus 6 is 14, and that will be 1 there. So 149 is your answer. So this has been Master Jacko. This is column addition. Hopefully you've learned something in this video. So for you, any parents watching as well, you can help out your students, because I understand if you haven't done this in a while, you haven't added numbers like this before, you can easily forget it, okay? So hope you've liked it. Don't forget to click subscribe, press like if you like the video, and I'll see you next time.